Hey everyone, welcome back to Baum Grillin'z. On today's episode, we're going to be making some firecracker chicken. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! So what we're going to be doing today is going to be making this firecracker chicken. Now this chicken's going to have a little kick to it. We're going to be using some buffalo wild wing sauce. We're going to be using some Sriracha. And we're also going to kind of throw in something a little bit different by using some grape jelly. Now we're using drumsticks, but you don't have to. You can have wings, breasts, anything that you want from the chicken. It'll all cook the same. All right, let's get into preparing this chicken and getting these firecracker chickens on the grill. All right, here we go. So we've got our drumsticks in this medium-sized mixing bowl so we can toss all our ingredients in it. So get yourself that. Then the first thing we're going to use is we're going to use some vegetable oil. Add a little bit there. Then we have about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Go ahead and throw that on their chicken. Add some garlic powder. We all know how much I like garlic powder. Oh yeah! Some salt. And some pepper. Now get your hands dirty and get that all mixed up in there. Make sure everything's coated nice and evenly. Every time you touch some raw chicken, remember to wash your hands. Don't want to cross-contaminate nothing or make yourself sick. Okay, so we've got our grill up to around 300 degrees. We're gonna set those over here on the side, indirect cook. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna cook that at 300 degrees and we're gonna rotate it in about 10 to 15 minutes. We're just gonna keep our eyes on it. All right, now that our chicken's on the grill, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our glaze. So what you're gonna need is a medium saucepan. Put that on medium heat. We're gonna have about 5 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and melt that butter up. Once that butter's all melted, we're gonna hit it with some flour. Slowly pour it in and stir at the same time. All right, there we go. Okay, so our butter's where we want it. We've got that nice little brown consistency. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our grape jelly. So I've got about, I've got about 1/4 cup. So we'll add that in. Get that all mixed in. All right, now that we've got that grape jelly in there, it's kind of created a weird, strange consistency. Now this is kind of an experiment here, so we're gonna try it out, see what happens. If all else fails, hey, we'll change it up. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and add our Sriracha sauce. I've got about another 1/4 cup or so. Add that in there. Very strange the way that the jelly kind of meshed with it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our buffalo wild wing sauce. Buffalo wing sauce. So we'll just kind of splash that in there. All the ingredients and their proper measurements will be down below, so make sure you check that out. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add some soy sauce. It's a real like pasty, kind of pasty. I think it's going to be really good, especially once it hits the chicken and it kind of heats up and kind of caramelizes a little more. I'm going to do a little more dash of that soy sauce. Now what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze a lime in there. Just kind of squeeze that up in there. All right, now we got our glaze all made up. We're gonna continue to check our chicken, make sure it gets to that proper temperature, and then we're gonna hit it with that glaze. Kind of smooth out the process. All right, our chicken is right where we want it, so we're gonna add our glaze. Now I went ahead and added a little bit of water to this glaze just to kind of make it a little more watery. Hopefully that will work. Let's go ahead and hit them with that glaze. Firecracker sauce. Yeah. Oh yeah, this smells so good. Love it. Love it, love it. This is gonna be awesome. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let those sit, kind of cook in there. Let them there glaze get a little caramelized and delicious. All right, the glaze is set up on the one side, so we're gonna flip it and we're gonna hit it again with the glaze. Oh yeah, this looks so good. Smells amazing too. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to eat these. Woohoo, yeah! That internal temp is getting close, I think. Let's check it. We're looking for 165. Oh yeah. All right, that's good. Let's check our bigger, fatter one here. Oh yeah, that's done. All right, they are ready. Let's pull them off, plate them up, and let them rest for a minute. Oh, they look tasty. Super tasty. That's what I'm talking about right there. Those things look amazing. Give you guys a close-up shot on them here in a minute. Okay, we're gonna hit them with a little bit of a garnish. We've got some cilantro. Throw that on there. Makes it look real nice. Then we got some crushed red pepper. Makes it look all firecrackery. Is that a word? Then we'll hit it with some sesame seeds. All right, there you have it. Firecracker chicken. Take a look at that. That looks amazing. So good looking. I like all the garnishes and I know it's gonna taste great. All right. Let's dig in. Look at that piece of, oh, just looks delicious. All right, here we go, first bite. Oh, wow. Oh, that's good. Woo. It's got heat. It does have the heat. Wow. Oh, it is some firecracker chicken right there. It's spicy, but yet it's sweet too. And I think actually that grape jelly actually complements it really well. It actually turned out, I think. Let's take another bite. Oh, wow. That is amazing. That is so good. Oh, wow. That's an awesome dish. Awesome. It's got the kick, it's got the sweet factor, everything right there. I mean, it's amazing. From the garnishes to the sriracha, buffalo, Everything about it is amazing. I really like this dish. There you have it, Firecracker chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Throw me one of them. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and also hit that bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video or go live. All right, I'm gonna go take care of the rest of these. I'll see you guys on the next video. Baum Grillin'z out!